Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video we'll be using SamFw. Alright guys, as I was saying, we'll be using SamFw to bypass Samsung A12. We'll try this security from August 2022 to December 2022. This one I believe is on, let's check which version we have here. I'm going to use SamFw. In order for us to do that, we need to put the phone on download mode. Okay, now I'm going to press volume down, volume up, and connect my USB, and so my phone goes to download mode. Now it's on download mode. You hear the sound when something is connected, and then come to your tools, and then Samsung FRP. Let's try this option first. This tool can work. It can read, yeah, of course. Samsung A12. Okay. Unfortunately, okay. So we have removed FRP for Samsung A12 using this software again. Alright, I wonder how many devices this software can really operate on, but I've tried about 10 different devices, which means we are not going to use the tool that we wanted to. But I believe if you use this option, you may open it, because the vision on this phone, it was on June 2022. Alright, yes, the phone has been open. Thank you guys for watching. So if you failed with this other option that we just did, because mine is done, so there's no need to use this software here. But if you fail, try this option, normal mode, and then voila. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you can know when we are uploading, because each and every video, guys, that you put here, we are not just wasting your time. It's a knowledge of something. Thank you.